Hey everybody. It is the eve of Thanksgiving. This is all cafe. And I haven't painted it in a few days, so we're gonna paint. And I went to Michael's today and I got Payne's Gray, which is a beautiful gray that I've not been able to find. I mean, I can get it at Blick, but for a reasonable price. Michael's is now selling these Liquitex basic acrylics. They look different, and there's a bunch of neon colors. And this Payne's Gray, I have not bothered to look on their website yet, what the difference is between these and the other Liquitex basic acrylics. Unless they just made it look different because it's new colors for them. So I don't know. So I'm using Payne's Gray, which is opaque. And I'm using Grumbacher Prussian Blue, which is semi-opaque. And Artist Loft Deep Magenta, which is translucent. So we'll see what happens. And I am just going to do a, oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to, I was thinking about a hair dryer. I think I will just start with a flip and drag, I think. So I'm shaking up my Dutch Boy latex house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I do have paint mixing videos. I also go, if you want to see, I have an Amazon link in the description that takes you to my setup. So that's a good place to start. I've got 400 and some videos, so if you're new to me, at least one of those should be helpful. So, yeah, as I said, Thanksgiving is tomorrow, and I'm thankful that I don't have to do anything except show up and bring alcohol. I never have to do anything. It's never at my house. It is always either at my sister-in-law's or at my cousin's in Minnesota. So every other year we switch, my family and my husband's family. So this year is husband's family. But we're going to my side because then the relatives in Minnesota come to Omaha every other year. So they will be here. So we're having Thanksgiving Bloody Marys tomorrow morning. After which I have asked to see if my daughter and her boyfriend want to come over and paint, which should be awesome after, you know, homemade Bloody Marys. Can't imagine that not turning out well. All right, so I've got a little 1 ounce cup, and I'm just gonna layer. You know what, I may toss in just for kicks. This is glitter paint. Just a drop of that. Literally, I think I put in 3 dropperfuls. All right. Woo! Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at all these cells that are forming. There is no silicone in here. And I am going to use the hairdryer. That was my first inclination with these colors. That was a little bit more powerful than I thought. Because we lost all of the transparent magenta, which is not a big surprise. This is pretty. Oh my gosh, these colors are gorgeous. I would almost be happy having the whole thing look like the straws. I saw a new PT today, and he's like, the absolute worst thing you can do is lean forward. I'm like, well, that's how I do almost all of my art. And my resining and all that stuff is on the floor. So I'm going to have to come up with some other ideas. Gosh, these colors are so amazing. Not too many white cells come up when I do this. Ooh, some of the magenta coming up. A little bit, yes. Right there. It's trying to peek through right here. But the Payne's gray and the Prussian blue are a match made in heaven. It's beautiful. Gosh, those colors are amazing. I wonder if I can get the magenta to come on in. No. Gosh. Wow. Do not like those though. Probably have to keep an eye on those. Oh, there's magenta. Maybe I can. There. Now it's kind of a weird shape. And it will spread out to however it wants to be anyways. I can't get over the gray and the blue though. Amazing. I don't know what the little bit of glitter paint did, if anything. Boy, this was a short and sweet one. Really short one. Check it out. And as I said, no silicone. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.